So here's an amazing tip to help keep you organized. We went to our local big box store and purchased some of these little plastic bins. In some places they're going to be $1 a piece, in other places you're actually going to get 2 for $1. So this makes this tip extremely affordable. The next thing we did is we separated all of our leather wraps by color. This is going to be very important because as we're looking and getting dressed in the morning, it makes it very easy for us to find the piece that we need. The next tip that I can tell you is very helpful is take all of your leather wraps and actually have them face the same direction. That way when you are looking through your wraps in the morning, it's going to make it very easy for you to find the style that you need. Simply pilfer through with your finger, and that way you can find the actual piece that's going to look the best with the outfit that you're pairing it with. So hopefully this is an amazing tip. Take all of your different leather wraps and create all of these really cool bins separated by color, which is going to make it easy for you to get dressed in the morning and look amazing. So hopefully this is a fabulous tip that's going to help you stay organized and not lose your mind in the morning as you're getting dressed. I hope you remember the most important thing, and that is that you, yes, you right there, Ladybug, you are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you right back here next week on Tip Tuesday. We're going to look at how to Okie dokie, let's try that again. Today we're going to look at how to keep your pleather. Pleather. Your pleather. It's not pleather. This is actually leather. This is suede. Pleather. Pleather. Okay, there we go. All right, to keep your short...